Welcome back to my channel, and for today I'm taking you to another location. Alright, are you ready? Let's go this way. My husband just dropped me off in this location today because we have the dog, so I'm excited. It's been a while I haven't been to this place. Can you see where I'm taking you? I think they did a bit of burning here. Today is July 23, 2021. I'd like to thank my subscribers for sticking around. I haven't been vlogging for 2 weeks, but now I'm back. Look at it from this angle. Hi guys, I'm in Millstream Falls here in Atherton Tablelands in far north Queensland, Australia. Enjoy this spectacular view. Some of my snapshots in Millstream Falls. Enjoy! I've fallen for you, Millstream Falls. Giselle, Casey, and Manang Nili, and to all my relatives and friends in the Philippines, hi! And also my friends here in Australia. Hi Marlene, Graham, Glenda, Kelvin, and of course, hi Jenny. Hi, how are you? Hi Mom Era Simagala. Hi my friends all over the world. Keep safe and thank you so much for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye!